Morning. 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 Okay. Let's go. Hey, Jack.
Did you get the address?
Yeah, the email, I got it. What happened?
I don't know. He died.
A murder, a heart attack, snake bite.
Apparently suicide.
Suicide? How old was he?
I think he was in his 80s?
Wow. I thought, you live that long, you just want to keep going, right? Was he in pain?
How the hell am I supposed to know that? I'm not a doctor. I'm a real estate agent.
My grandfather, he lived till he was 96 years old. Outlived 3 wives. Smoked every day until he died. Can you believe it?
That's amazing, Michelle. Totally interesting. Now, look, inventory of the house. It's going up for auction in 2 weeks. This son's a total pain in my ass. It'll be thorough. And I don't want that brain fart trying to sue me.
But the same deal as always, right? I get first dibs on anything in that house.
Anything under $500.
Don't get to keep the Art Deco vase or the family silverware.
Fine. Come on.
Unless, maybe you want to go see Paramore at the Tabernacle? Just this Friday, I can get tickets.
Jack, I told you, working together and dating is a bad idea.
Yeah, but I love a good bad idea.
Okay. Bye, Jack.
Fuck. Is this gonna be much longer?
Mama doesn't need a man when she has you. Okay, go potty. Go potty. Go potty. Go potty.
Hello?
Hi, Mom. Can you do me a favor and check in on Cash this weekend?
Who's the new guy?
There's no new guy. I have a job.
What are you doing for money these days? You quit the auto dealership. At least they had health
I'm
insurance.
doing the estate sale appraisals. When somebody dies, I go in and I evaluate everything, give a value to the owners, and I have to spend the weekend at his house, and I can't take cash.
This guy doesn't have family.
I guess he doesn't have anyone to do this. And that's the case with most of these situations, which is why I have
Honey,
a job.
I should tell you that I did your cards this morning. It's not a good idea for you to be around the recently departed.
Mom, I'm sorry. I don't have time for this right now. Are you going to check in on Cash, or do I need to ask Rachel?
I'll check on your dog. You don't have to use that tone.
I'm not using a tone.
Sounds like a tone to me.
Okay. Bye, Mom. I love you.
Bye.
God, go! Hey, bitch.
Where you at?
I'm at that house I was telling you about. The one going up for auction.
The one in Brookhaven?
No, not that one. This was the old man. Turns out it was a suicide.
Is it a mess?
No. The cleaners come and take care of all that. And Jack has like a really good team for it, so you can't even tell what's happening usually. So the gore is gone, but this house is full of clutter.
How long are you there for?
All weekend, baby. I have to inventory everything. But he did say that I can keep anything I want under $500.
You and your side hustle. Who's taking care of Cash?
My mom's gonna check in on him.
Well, could come over and help.
I mean, you could come over, but I don't know how much help you're gonna be.
Come on, when was the last time that we got together, got drunk, and talked shit about everybody?
Fine. Bring your fun. You probably need it.
Guess who I saw at the Righteous Room last night? Dan. He was with some bitch that looked like the Gucci knockoff version of you.
Good luck to her.
And what sucks is I really like Dan.
Rachel, come on. I mean, you know how possessive he was. I couldn't hang out with Brandon or Steve or, any of our male friends. He thought I wanted to blow every guy I ever met.
Wait, I thought you were a virgin.
Yeah.
No, but really, he asked about you.
What did you say?
I said that you look better than you did when you were 18. You've been in the gym every day, and your ass is so tight you could crack a walnut with it.
Great. Now he's definitely gonna call.
Good. When was the last time that you broke off somebody's walnut?
I do not need any more nuts. I have a nut allergy now.
And he has the EpiPen.
Okay. I'm done with this conversation. I have to get back to work.
Do I need to pick up drinks?
We're good on drinks. There's a full bar downstairs, but maybe some food?
All right. Catch you later, bitch.
Bye, bitch. Hey.
I knew you'd answer.
I'm not interested, Dan.
Come on, you interested. Don't act like you not.
I know you saw Rachel, and that's why you're calling.
I miss you.
You're drunk.
Well, that don't change how I feel.
Well, as I recall, the way you felt was just jealous over every single guy that I ever talked to.
Come on. Can you blame me? I mean, have you seen the way that you look? I mean, I am a Scorpio.
Please stop blaming your immaturity on your zodiac sign. I am a Scorpio too.
Well, that's why we're perfect together.
No. No, you're a November Scorpio and I'm an October Scorpio.
Where you at?
Working.
Let me come over.
Call me tomorrow, when you're sober.
Come on, just stop being such a cock tease.
You're the one drunk dialing me?
Fine. I love you.
Call me tomorrow.
Do you love me?
Call me tomorrow.
Fine.
Who do you love?
My mom.
Your mom.
That's my mom.
Sure, it's your mom.
Yeah, I'm sure. Come on. It's my mom.
Hello?
Michelle! Girl! Michelle! Okay, bitch, where are you at? Michelle? Okay. Michelle! Now are you playing? Michelle? Hello? Michelle?